So it's been 13 years since the last time Virat Kohli stepped out in the Arun Jaitley Stadium wearing the DDCA white jersey. 13 years later, today Virat Kohli came out in practice with the Delhi team for the Ranji Trophy game. They are going to be playing Railways from the 30th of January. Virat Kohli came into the Arun Jaitley Stadium in his black Porsche. The visuals got really viral on social media as soon as he entered. Then he had a warm-up session. The videos of that you would have definitely seen. He had an extended warm-up session with the whole of Delhi team. He played football, and after that, straight away he headed to the practice nets. Over there, he had an extended 45-minute session where he had played a few throwdowns with the throwdown specialist, and then he went on and played against the bowlers in the nets. He played against a set of fast bowlers and a set of spinners. What we got to know was that he particularly worked more on his back foot game. What he also did was played against two left arm spinners, and what we also saw was that Virat Kohli sort of wasn't too comfortable against the Delhi left arm spinner Harsh Tyagi, who himself is a veteran as far as domestic cricket and age group cricket is concerned. He had a little trouble against Harsh Tyagi, but then he again went on and had a few more throwdowns before he ended his day's play. It was a great day for a lot of Delhi players, and a lot of Delhi players met him for the first time. Somebody like a Vansh Bedi, who has also been bought by the Chennai Super Kings, he went ahead and met Virat Kohli for the first time. Even though he was part of the Delhi circuit since a very long time, he got the opportunity to meet Virat Kohli for the first time. Lots of other players like Navdeep Saini and Jonty Sidhu, who have been part of the Delhi team since a very long time, had the opportunity to reunite with their old teammate as they headed on the Arun Jaitley pitch after a gap of a long time. Even though this is an inconsequential game, one thing that Jonty Sidhu mentioned was that everyone tried to impress Virat Kohli. Everyone wanted to be good again in front of Virat Kohli, wanted to impress them. And suddenly, even though, like I mentioned, it's been an inconsequential game for Delhi against Railways because Delhi is out, still the intensity and the mood in the camp was really, really high. It's going to be an historic day for all the people of Delhi as everyone will unite here at the Arun Jaitley Stadium on the 30th of January, 9:30 a.m. onwards. Even though the Delhi and District Cricket Association has at this point has told the fans that there's going to be capacity for 10,000 fans, that's going to be the old pavilion and the north stand. But if there are more fans than 10,000, then the DDC has assured that for this momentous occasion, they are going to open the other stands also, as however many people can be accommodated will be accommodated. There weren't too many fans today outside the stadium waiting for their superhero Virat Kohli, maybe because not many people knew that he's going to be coming to practice. But after today, there are players also saying that he might come tomorrow as well for practice. So maybe you can see a larger turnout tomorrow. But on the 30th of January, you'll definitely be seeing thousands and thousands of people coming out and supporting Virat Kohli. We also heard from the fans that they have already started to plan that they will be coming at 7 a.m. in the morning so that they can get entry early into the stadium because it's going to be on first come first serve basis. Quite a historic day in Delhi here. I am here at the Arun Jaitley Stadium since morning, and if you like this report, do subscribe to Sports Today if you haven't already, and do not forget to give us a like button, give us a like as well.